This is Iron by Chris Lee. Characteristics of iron is that it's an essential mineral. It can be found pretty much everywhere in our body, and iron can be found with pretty much any type of protein in our body for function, transportation, or storage. Food sources for iron is any type of animal meats. It can also be found in bakery good items, dark green leafy vegetables, and can also be put into food through the use of like a cast iron skillet. The main function of iron is that oxygen will bind to it, and then since we have iron in our blood, they'll transport it throughout our body so that we can stay oxygenated. What is generally known of iron is that we have it in our blood. A lot of people can have iron deficiency, and iron is just good for us. Deficiency of iron is called iron deficiency anemia, or a lot of people just call it anemia. This is the most widespread type of nutritional deficiency in the U.S. When our body doesn't get enough iron in our system, we won't be able to transport oxygen as well through our body, and so that can cause fatigue, among other issues, including poor energy levels, increases in infections, and a decline in growth and cognitive function in children. But this can be fixed by changing our diet to higher iron food or limiting iron supplements. Toxicity of iron can happen. We have an upper level of 45 milligrams a day for iron, and the symptoms of it can be nausea, vomiting, stomach irritation, diarrhea, and impaired absorption of other trace minerals. Iron toxicity is a lead cause of death in children under 6. And to prevent this, you just need to change your diet away from those high iron foods, or if you're taking an iron supplement, to stop it. And if we all take the right amount of iron, then we all can become iron human superheroes.